Every day, real customer questions and complaints land in your social media comments, and most business owners either miss them, answer them hours too late, or spend 20 minutes typing the same kinds of replies over and over. There is a better way. N8n is a visual automation tool that connects the apps you already use. You build workflows by linking boxes called nodes, and each node does exactly one job. No coding required. Every workflow starts with a trigger, something that tells n8n to wake up and get to work. After the trigger fires, each node picks up the result from the one before it, does its job, and passes everything forward. It is a simple assembly line for your digital tasks. Here is a real example using Facebook or Instagram. Say a customer comments on one of your posts asking about your hours, or worse, posting a complaint about a recent order. Your workflow starts with a trigger node that watches your social media page for new comments. The moment a comment comes in, n8n sends that text to an AI agent node. This is where the intelligence lives. The AI agent reads the comment and decides whether it is a question, a complaint, or just general chatter. If it needs a response, the agent drafts a polite, on-brand reply using the context of the comment. That draft then gets dropped into a shared Google Doc or sent to you in Slack, ready for a quick review before you post it. What used to take you 20 or 30 minutes of checking, reading, and typing is now a 2-minute review, and it happens automatically, any time of day. That matters because n8n connects to hundreds of apps: Facebook, Instagram, Google, Slack, your CRM, and far more. It runs around the clock so nothing slips through on a weekend or a holiday, and unlike some tools, you own and control the whole system. You do not need to automate everything at once. Start with one workflow that solves one real headache and build from there. If you want this kind of automation actually running in your business, PRISC Group builds it and runs it for you. See if a pilot is a fit at PRISCgroup.com. Follow PRISC Group for more real automation builds. Automate relentlessly, ruthlessly.